shining bright and the stars twinkle at night, you'll know that I really love you so. When you get the chance to hug me and squeeze me so tight, that's when I know that I did something right. Stargazing in Kentucky is better without the city. All those lights flashing big and bright. No city noise or city lights can ruin this lovely sight. Stargazing in Kentucky tonight. With the years flying by as we hear our children cry, with joy and laughter the sweetest sounds. As we grow, they grow older and our time will soon be nigh, and I hope to see you on the other side. Stargazing in Kentucky is better without the city. All those lights flashing big and bright.